Did you know that there are 4 styles of parenting? Which one are you? The first one is permissive parenting. That means it's very child driven. That means that you let your kid do whatever you want. There's no consequences to their actions. They're just go ahead, honey, do the thing. The permissive parent doesn't really give any rules or boundaries. They just kind of let their kid roam around and do whatever it is that they want. Next, there's authoritarian. That is a parent driven mode of parenting. That means that the parent sets the rules, they set the standards, they set the boundaries, they tell their kid what, when, where, and how they're going to do every single little thing, and the kid has very little to no say. It's very heavy on the rules, very heavy on the punishment, and there is very little acknowledgement or consideration of the child or their feelings or their understanding or anything about the child. Next, there's the neglectful parent. That is the parent who is just not there. They're uninvolved. They don't really care what happens with the kid, as opposed to permissive parenting, where the parent is there, it's just that they let their kid do whatever. The neglectful parent, not even in existence. They don't provide any nurture, they don't provide any guidance, they have nothing. Then there's authoritative. That means that the parent is there working with the child. So as opposed to the child being the head of the relationship or the parent solely being in the head of the relationship, it is the parent and child working together as a team to resolve things and work through situations. The parent is the one that is guiding. They do set rules, they set boundaries, but they do that with the child in mind and understanding that this child has needs and wants and sees them basically as another human being that needs their assistance. There is open communication. There are natural consequences to their actions. So it's not that the child gets to do whatever they want with no consequences, and it's not that there's very heavy, strict consequences. It is that the child does something, there is a natural consequence that follows that, and again, they're working together as opposed to against each other. So, which one are you? Let me know in the comments.